Okay, we're gonna walk on down towards Gina's house. Okay, we are live. I have some young kids here, and these young children are just gonna take the birds for a little walk. They have threatened us with fines. A child under the age of 13 cannot be convicted of a crime unless there is malice and intent, and there is no malice and intent here. All we are doing is taking chickens for a walk. So whoever's watching this live video, immediately give Eric a call, give Chad Parker a call. You give them all a call. You give everybody a call. Get them out here. Kids under the age of 13 cannot be convicted of a crime. Stay together, guys. Sir, if you want to reach out to you, them, tell them to call. We're taking our birds for a little walk.
Mom, can I grab my sweatshirt?
No, you cannot. We are walking birds. Call the government. Tell them. These kids are taking these birds for a walk. You cannot be convicted of a crime if you're under the age of 13.
These birds are healthy.
You're 13?
They're healthy birds. I've just met the little limit.
So we're just going to walk.
Just there.
I hope to God my car's locked. We're just walking some birds, guys.
They might arrest me, you know.
No, you're not. You're not 13.
What about Juvie?
Okay.
Juby.
That's
No.
impossible.
Juby, that's not possible.
No, we're just going to walk out here. Where were the killers at? Were they to the left or right?
To the left down there. They all left though.
Oh.
I think they went to Gina's
They all
house.
scrambled.
I think they went to Gina's house.
This bird did our workout and yeah.
Well,
Dude, this bird's
you guys
swimming
don't
in
have
the
sidewalks, do you?
Or you're breathing on it.
Lay an egg? Oh my God, I don't want to have to carry it.
Hey.
Stay on the inside of this
Inside,
white line.
I'm guard. I'm road guard.
Stay on the inside.
We are taking birds for a walk. Annette Jones, please send your people out here.
Okay, baby bird.
I have kids that would like to walk a bird. You guys are threatening people with fines and arrest. You cannot arrest a child under the age of 13. So Annette Jones, send somebody. I got kids walking some birds. We're getting a little fresh air, a little exercise in.
Why the heck are you guys wearing socks?
Just because.
We should have got our chicken leash.
I know.
Leash?
I didn't know we were going to use the chicken leash. Okay, I'm road guarding.
To walk the chicken.
Ow, I almost bit my leg and I would have let go of the chicken.
Oh, there's that lady, Mom.
Which lady? Make sure you guys stay out of the street. Get over here.
At the protest. Just give me like.
I'm going to walk up here.
Get down.
We're just going to walk. We'll take the walk.
Get in the road and then it's gonna
And then we may sit out there for a little bit. They're threatening people with fines and that they're going to be arrested if they move a bird. We're not really moving birds. We're just taking an evening walk. So,
Just strolling.
where are the officials? I don't know where they're at. Where are these officials?
Oh, I wish I had my
Do you have the number for that?
Ollie.
Yeah, she's like dead.
Eric
Oh,
Billnick or something?
No, I don't.
Hey, I hope you
Maybe
see
John. Oh no, John didn't get it either. I don't think.
Okay. Whoever is on this video, can you please call that John Billnick and Annette Jones, Evil Chad? We do need to have some guidance out here.
Watch this chicken walking parade.
Oh, we're just walking.
About to lay an egg.
Don't lay eggs.
If it lays an egg, I'm gonna have to hold the chicken with one egg for one egg.
So we're just kind of chilling out, doing a little evening walk
Or
here.
I throw the egg. Yeah, if they have an egg.
I probably this is normal. We all just walk chickens.
Is anybody there? Please call Jones or that Eric Blairnick or Bennick or whatever his name is. Is that him?
Why are they killing healthy birds?
Couldn't tell you, son.
Why we're off?
That's why we're all here. So, kids walking. Evening walk.
Say I get sand or
Getting a little exercise in, I suppose.
Hey, my mom's coming.
Okay.
Hey,
Mama's got a bun in the oven. She's got to walk slow.
Mama, look at it.
Oh, pretty.
Where are we going next?
We're just walking straight. Are you trying to get through? Can you,
Thank you. Follow us.
okay, give me CDFA out here if you can give them a call. I'm on live. We're taking birds for a walk. And you can grab anybody you want. Okay, so,
Save our bird.
okay, all kids, walk in the dirt. Stay in the dirt. I'm road guarding. Where is this guy?
Adults are
Not on him.
Look, guys.
Also, watch where you step. We don't need
I
any
know, this is crazy, right?
Perfume.
perfume. Glass bottles,
Want to
bowls.
take perfume? Go get free perfume.
I don't think I need perfume quite yet. We might.
There's literally a bottle of
Cheese. Although this is not a cheese type of a moment at all.
I got something in my shoe.
The guy that came over probably had much more fun with
On the way back
these
around.
pictures.
Why do you want to hold?
Oh, nothing. They came over and took all the pictures. So I want to know what happens when you move a bird. Because they said there's all these fines and 25,000, all these crazy things. So I need them to come out here and tell us what we're supposed to be doing.
Miss, why did I call you Miss? Could they arrest children who are 12 years old if they're holding a chicken?
No, they cannot, under the age of 13. So,
No, wait, I'm 12. TD.
you're out of the road.
You're 13.
Because it was an accident. Okay, relax. Car. I feel like a traffic light.
Where? Hey! Hey, can you swing around and go get one of the big wigs and tell him to get over here? Go tell him to get over here. We're walking chickens.
Grab me a chicken.
Should we just chill out here, maybe, you think?
Yeah.
Just hold up the chickens like
Bring the birds to them
Simba.
and say, these are the ones you have an appointment with?
No,
then
well,
you're
no,
supposed
no. We got chicken killers.
The chicken killers.
Join the page at Sob.
What? They already were
Hold
here.
it up. High and
When?
high and
Today?
proud. Loud and proud.
Okay, kids out. Stand by the side. I don't want any of you in the street. I don't want any of you in the street. Okay, so birds for a walk. And we're here. We're waiting for CDFA to come or USDA to come on here and help us out. Hi. I know, but they need, if you want to go
Oh,
grab the
yes.
supervisor, tell them to get over here because we'd like to know what happens now because we would like to take the birds for a walk.
Save our chicken
So, and
stuck
it's not
on the
right child under the
window.
age of 13. So
Nice.
I would like to have them come out here and explain to me their fines that they're threatening people with. So if you want to go grab a box and tell them, get on over here. Here we are.
Yeah, mine's freaking out.
All right? Go get them.
He has.
Hey,
I had it. I missed it by like 2 seconds. I was so mad.
go get the officials.
My husband calls me. He's all, the chicken's gonna lay an egg, so we're all watching for it. And then one of them sends me for a
Okay,
drink.
so
I go get a drink, and then I come back.
We
on
are
and the
patiently
egg.
waiting for an official to tell us
Again.
what we're doing. We are not blocking the road. We are off of the road. We're in a dirt lot. See? Dirt lot. We're not in the road, dirt lot. And we are waiting for an official to come here. Because we're going to have to walk the birds back home before it gets too late. Because it's going to get cold on us. So we want to find out when these guys are threatening us with arrests. And I've heard 1,000, I've heard 5,000, and I've heard 25,000. So I'd like to find out what is the offense. Because an order by the state vet is not a law.
Yeah, the chicken baby.
We just passed by a very nice sheriff's deputy who witnessed us taking an evening walk. He has no problems with it. No problems. If he did, we would have been stopped. So there is no problems with what we are doing. It is not illegal. There is a deputy here. If it was illegal, they would have stopped us. Oh, cool. There's a horse back there lunging. So just an FYI, so you know what we're doing here. No, I'm not breaking the law. No, I'm not baiting kids. These children would like to take the birds for a walk. The end. No big deal. No big deal. So we're waiting for the big daddy government to show up. And, I don't know, watching this guy lunge his horse.
My phone died, so I can't even find out where
Well,
it is.
I don't know either. They said the gentlemen were going to go ahead and grab whoever because we need to find out because we're going to need to walk our birdies back home. So,
Yeah, this one is getting upset. He needs a chicken leash.
I know, our chicken leash is at home.
Us too.
Next time.
So we're going to find this out. We're going to find this out. Hey, did you get the chicken killers?
How far is it? Where Gina lives, okay. Are they at Gina? No, okay.
Hey, tell her to just have them come here.
Hey, send it back this way if you see them.
Let them take a nice drive right past by.
So we are not breaking a law. There is no laws being broken. Just know that there is no laws being broken whatsoever. The state vet has done an ordinance of some sort, and an ordinance is not a law. Those are two different things. You need to look that up. Two completely separate different things. Law and ordinance are different. So I'm waiting for these CDFA people to get here, or USDA people. I don't understand this. They're up everybody's... We're waiting for them, and... No! We're walking them!
Chicken's gonna get loose if I have to chase it around
them? Oh. Okay, again, we're waiting for CDFA to come. And we have a sheriff's deputy at the scene. You know, we were walking by with them, so this is not illegal. If it was illegal, the sheriff's deputy would have done something. It's not illegal what we're doing. It's called exercising your rights. We need to start revamping the Constitution so people understand the First Amendment, Second Amendment, Third, the Fourth. They don't follow them, but we're going to follow them. So what we're going to do is wait till these people even show up, which I don't know where they are. What they're, I mean, they have plenty of time to go kill everything. Where are the killers? Because we're going to get to the bottom of their fines that they're threatening with. I'm probably going to get one.
Hey, they need to come back with the chicken.
Oh, okay. Is the killers there?
No, but the chickens are quarantined and they're not supposed to leave.
Yeah, we're walking them. We're waiting for them to come here, the USDA.
No, the chickens aren't supposed to leave Les's house.
Yeah, we know.
So they need to go back to Les's house.
They will. We're waiting for them to show up and tell us. They're gonna. We already know what they're gonna do. What I want to know is, what about these fines and what are you threatening people with?
Yeah, no, but Les wants the chickens back to his house.
Okay. All right. You guys
Come on,
wanna
girls.
pack it up and head back?
Yep.
Okay. Out of the street. Over here. Okay. Over here. Stay over here.
Amy, or Katie. Nice to meet you.
Oh, you dad, Dad, Luis.
Okay, so they never showed up, so I don't even understand what's happening here. You'd think that if this was so dangerous, they would have shown up. So deadly. Deadly disease.
Look at them.
Deadly disease.
No, you're right. Look
Good.
at the sign.
What? Yeah,
What did
good.
you say?
Canoes is on Smith Street.
Smith, oh.
They need to come over here and just watch us walk.
Why doesn't she run back and grab the news? Wouldn't that be a better idea?
I don't know, but are we heading to Smith Street?
Yep.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I don't know. I still...
The news and they're killing right now.
Well, you know what? This is on tape, so we'll find out what that's supposed to be because they're threatening people with all these fines. So I want to find out what this is all about.
No, we're gonna walk these chickens back right now.
Is what?
I was answering him.
Make sure that one's shown so people can put the Papillon bottle down.
The gentleman that I got on
Don't throw it. If it
video
breaks and shatters,
at the Ridgeview 58 incident,
animals can have
who took a picture of my license plate, was also right here around the corner when we walked.
Why didn't he stop us? Or stop them?
I stopped him and I asked him why he took a picture of my license plate and he refused to answer. He just kept his window up. But it shows that they're going from kill to kill to kill. They're not changing.
Well, they're
They're
supposed
not
to be.
changing booties. They're not
They're supposed to be
showering.
showering.
Oh, another dead bird. Cool.
Hey!
Oh,
Don't point that out.
was it a little dead wild bird?
Yeah, just a random little...
Okay. Out of the road, guys. Over.
over.
A lot of people are nodding.
I would like you to stand in the dirt.
Need to be
That one is they say in the face with it.
Megan.
Okay, well. Oops. Okay. So we're going back to take these birds home. They got a little fresh air. So it was all fresh air. That's that. The deputy was right there, and we're okay with it. It's all legal, so don't be pulling it's illegal or anything else. Kids are allowed to love birds and take them for a walk. Not a big deal. Well, if they're going to be killed, I would like to give them a little bit of peace before they die, like some happiness. Give them some food. I don't know, love on them a little bit. But my whole reason here is that when they're threatening people with fines, I want them to come out here and address this. You want to fine, what's the hurt? Because you guys are scaring people, but you're not doing nothing. I don't know which one of these is going to be USDA.
Yes!
Out of the road, everybody! Out of the road!
The cat spotted its food.
Yep. I think this one's kind of my arms.
Of you carrying it?
That's what happened to my one rooster.
So, just hang on to him.
His mouth. Every time.
Out of the mouths of babes.
Every
Over,
time.
over, get over. Get Jenna, get over, over. They don't really have dedicated sidewalks. They're kind of like right on past.
No, not in this city.
That's okay.
Nowhere in this city do we have dedicated sidewalks.
My favorite car.
Okay, well, now I guess it's safe to say that the CDFA and USDA do not care if you take your birds on an evening walk. Just make sure you have somebody under the age of 13 walk the bird. At that point, I would say I don't know, we had a deputy there and he didn't have an issue with it. So if it was illegal, he wouldn't have let us do that. So clearly it's not illegal.
A white feather to drop.
And they didn't show up again. What in the world? This is, why is this? Yeah, he's gonna try to stick around. He's on. Okay, so we're going back to the kill house. And we're gonna maybe go walk somebody else's birds if they'd like their birds walked. I want to say a duck walk because that just sucks. But these birds did not touch the ground. They didn't touch anything. They're healthy. There's no issues.
We are not sick.
Nobody's sick. There's a deputy up there. Okay. So everything's all legal. Nothing illegal going on here. Nothing going on legal here. So we're gonna move to the next spot and see how this goes. Because nobody came again. So
Preach. Tell the people.
I tell you, they
need
won't
to
even
know.
come help us.
Look at all these cool feathers waiting for one.
Right?
Yes.
They really are.
We just gave them a
They
little
are
walk.
public
and now we gotta
menaces.
go walk some more. USDA and CDFA never showed up for us.
They're down
People
on
were
Smith
trying-
Street
they're
doing
right
killings
around
right
the
now.
corner,
That's where everybody just went. And the news is there also.
Okay, next spot.
Nobody said that to you guys when they left?